Hello, welcome. Today I want to show you how you can use various functions to analyze information here in spreadsheet. Among the functions which we will learn today is VLOOKUP, which is normally used to look for a certain value from any of the cells, then it will return corresponding value in another cell. For example, here, if I want to know the supplier for apples, I can search for apple. Once I get apple, I move with this row to get the supplier for apple. The same manual work can be done using VLOOKUP. You give it what to search, then it will move horizontally in the row and get you what you want from any other column. And in this case, we are going to use VLOOKUP to find the unit price for banana from this price list. And here we will also use it to find the unit price for apple using the price list. I will go ahead and start it. First, you can see here we have fruit ID, description, unit price, and supplier. In this sheet, we want to analyze bananas only, and in the other sheet, apples only. Then I will have a summary here where I will get the total sales for banana and apples and have the total down here. Let me start with the banana sheet here. I want to get the unit price for banana using VLOOKUP. I will come and just type VLOOKUP, double click it. So the first thing is to write what you want to search. I want to search for banana, so I will just write here banana, put a comma, and you have to give it what you want to. Let me just put it in quotes. Next, I want to go and tell it where to search. So I will just click price list, and I want it to search here in these two columns. I will proceed with the formula here in the formula bar by putting a comma. Then next we give it the number of columns to return result. The selection has two columns, so I want it to return result in column 2. So I will just put 2 here. Next, whether you want approximate match or exact match. If you are not sure about the spelling, then you can use maybe approximate match. But since I know the spelling of banana, I want this exact match. So I will double click here. Or you can as well type false directly. I will close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see banana's unit price is 5. Coming here, you will see it is 5. I also want supplier for bananas. I will just come and type VLOOKUP, double click VLOOKUP, and tell it to search for banana. Put a comma, come to my price list. Here I want supplier, so I will just select the 3 columns and put here in the formula bar comma. I wanted the result from the third column of the selection. So I will just write 3, comma, and I will write the word false for exact match, and close bracket, press enter. You can see bananas are supplied by Kiserian Farms. Coming here, you can see it is Kiserian Farms which supplies banana. I will go ahead and do the same for apples here. VLOOKUP for apple and select where to look up, put a comma. I want the result from the second column. Now write the word false, press enter. Apple is 25 bob. You can see here apple is 25, that is fine. For the supplier, I can just put equal sign VLOOKUP and just look up for apple and give it a selection. I will select the 3 columns because supply is in the third column, and give it a comma. I want the result from the third column of selection. I will complete with the word false. I press enter. So you can see apples come from Limuru Fresh. You can confirm here, Limuru Fresh. Now I have used the VLOOKUP to populate this information in the sheet. The advantage of VLOOKUP is this. Tomorrow, for example, if the price of banana changes to 8, you'll see even here it has changed to 8. Okay, so it is updated automatically. For the apple, if it changes to 30, even now here it will change automatically. That is the advantage of using formulas such as VLOOKUP. Next, I want to analyze here. I want to calculate sales by taking the unit price multiplied by the quantity. So I will just put equal sign, take the quantity multiplied by unit price. Now I don't want this unit price to, I don't want this selection to shift downward when I'm pushing down the formula. So I will have to make the selection absolute so that it doesn't leave that cell C2 using the dollar signs before each of the cell reference. Okay, so it means don't leave this column and don't leave this row. I will press enter. So this is the formula. Now I will be free to pull down to gauge the cells for the rest. You can see, does it leave C2 where the unit price is? And if you click this part is changing. You can see that is what we call absolute reference. You can do the sum and complete this. So here the total sales for bananas is 430. I'll do the same to the apple. Take the quantity multiplied by this price and make it absolute using the dollar signs. press enter, and then we can confirm the formula is okay there. Just pull down and do the sum for the total sales. So here I have total for the apples and here for bananas. Then now finally here in this summary total sales, I want the price for the total for banana. I just put equal sign, click bananas sheet, and click this total, then press enter. So this total is brought here, same to apple, equal sign, go to apple's sheet, click the total and press enter. I can now do the total here. Sum of these two down here. So the all of these sheets are linked. Tomorrow when the price of one changes, the changes is automatically updated here. That is how we use the lookup function plus other functions in MS Excel. See you next time. Bye bye.